If your Discord Quest video is not loading, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you a few quick fixes you can try right now to get it working again. We'll start with the easiest method in your web browser, then clear Discord cache, and finally toggle hardware acceleration if the problem is still happening. These steps are simple, safe, and can usually fix loading issues fast. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tech videos. Alright, let's jump in. First, use the web version of Discord. Open your browser and go to the Discord web page. Once the page loads, sign in to your Discord account as usual. After you're logged in, go to the Quest page and try playing the video again. Sometimes the issue is only happening in the desktop app, and opening Discord in a browser can instantly get the Quest video to load properly. If it works here, then you know the problem is likely local to the app and not your account. If the video still does not load, the next step is to clear Discord's cache in your browser. This is a very common fix because cached files can become corrupted or outdated and cause loading problems. To do this, click the browser menu, usually the three-dot icon in the top right corner. Then choose the option to delete browsing data. In the window that appears, make sure you select Cached Images and Files. If you want, you can leave other items unchecked and just focus on the cache. Then click Delete and wait for the process to finish. Once the cache is cleared, open Discord again and go back to the Quest video. Try loading it one more time and see if it plays normally. In many cases, clearing cached files forces the browser or Discord to reload fresh data, which can fix glitches and playback issues right away. If you're still having trouble, the next fix is to toggle hardware acceleration in Discord. This setting can sometimes cause video loading issues depending on your system, browser, or graphics setup. To do this, open Discord and click the gear icon near your username to open user settings. From there, scroll down and go to Advanced. Find Hardware Acceleration and turn it off. Discord will usually ask you to confirm the change, so click OK or relaunch when prompted. After Discord restarts, open the Quest again and check whether the video loads properly. Turning off hardware acceleration can help if Discord was struggling to render the video correctly using your GPU. If the video starts working after this change, then you found the cause of the issue. So to recap, if your Discord Quest video is not loading, first try Discord in the web browser, then clear the browser cache, and finally disable hardware acceleration in Discord. One of these fixes will usually solve the problem and get the Quest video playing again. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.